Hi, today I'm going to take you in the bathroom with me. And I know that sounds weird, but I want to show you how I give my cat Cotton a bath. I do it quickly, get in and out, and this goes along with a new blog post that I wrote about the supplies that you need for good pet care. If you don't have a bidet or a spigot that you can use your bathtub or even get a big bowl if you have a small pet, or you can wash your pet outside on a warm day, with a garden hose. So there's lots of options, and make it as easy for you as you can. Before you even get your pet into the bathroom with you, make sure that you're prepared. I have some cat shampoo and a towel, my cat's harness, which I've tied to the handle of the shower, and I'm lucky because I have a bidet and it's got this spray handle, so I can use that to wash my cat without holding him underneath the faucet. So as you can see, I have Cotton in the harness, so he's secure and I can have my hands free to give him a bath. And I'll get the water turned on, give him a quick rinse. Because he has oil in his hair, it's hard to get the water down into the hair because he has quite long hair, and you can see on his tail it doesn't want to get wet. So I'm, yeah, baby. So I am trying to use my hands to get into his fur. I'm not going to do his head yet. That's going to be the last because that makes him the most upset. Then I just pour some on my hand and I start rubbing him all over. I know. It's okay, baby. To get underneath, I also put soap in my hands and then go underneath each arm. I can see a flea right here, and so the flea's trying to get away from the soapy water. And if I put plenty of soap on there, then the fleas can't get away from being stuck in the water. Oh, poor baby. Now he's getting a little angry at me. Oh, poor thing. Here. Okay, so I've got him soaked up really good, and so I'm going to rinse him off. This is the part that he really hates. Here in Malaysia, we don't have hot water heaters, so the water's, it's not cold, but it's not warm. And cats' temperatures are higher than ours, so It probably feels a little chilly. Can you turn around for me, please? There you go. Okay, so now I'm gonna wash his head, and I do that, really carefully. I try not to get it in his eyes. Go underneath his throat. Just kind of work your way up. And I'll just do a small squirt, and then I'll move it with my hands. And then I'm going to use a little soap on just the top of his head and the back of his neck and around his ears, being really careful and gentle, and under his throat. But I'm not going to put any soap around his eyes. Okay, lift up his head. Oh. He hates it. But we're done. To clean out his ears, I'll use a cloth, a damp cloth, and just, run the cloth around the inside of his ears. And that's it. Oh, yes, I know. So after I'm finished, I just squeeze out the water. Oh, wait. And I take a towel and I completely wrap him up in the towel. So there he is. After the initial bath, I wrapped him up. I can feel him shivering, so he is cold and angry. But I rub him with the towel, and I'll rub every leg, underneath his belly, his tail, and definitely his back, to get most of the water off with this towel, and then I'll switch to another towel so I get him as dry as I possibly can so he can stop shivering. So I brushed Cotton out with a little wire brush after I dried him with another dry towel, and gave him some food so he won't be mad at me anymore. And so, Cotton, are you okay now?